Hi, and welcome to Sub's 12 Days of Christmas Cookies, where we make a new Christmas cookie from a different place on the 12 days leading up to Christmas. Today we're making madeleines from France. These are very popular in France, especially around the holidays, so let's get the ingredients. 2 lemons, 5 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, salt, and 1 cup of melted butter. Before we get started, I want to thank ChristmasCookies.com, where we got all of our recipes from cookies all around the world. So first, preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Now, I'm going to finely grate the rind from the lemons. 2 lemons. I just finished grating the lemon, and now I'm going to put it to the side because I don't need it yet. Now I'm going to crack 5 eggs and beat them with the sugar. Okay, that's 5. Now I'm going to add the sugar and beat it in with the eggs. So there's sugar sticking on the side, so I'm going to use a spatula to get it back in with the eggs. Okay, so next I'm going to add 2 cups of flour and stir. It's almost all mixed, and I'm making sure that I can't see any of the flour, which I don't right now. Now I'm adding the baking powder. Now I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Now I'm going to add the lemon that I grated. And now I'm adding the butter. I think that everything is about mixed in. So now I already sprayed the madeleine molds. I'm almost done filling the madeleine molds. And after they're all full, I have to let them sit for 10 minutes right here like this. And then I'm going to put them in the oven for 10 minutes. We just got the madeleines out of the oven because they were perfectly cooked and golden brown around the edges. Now I'm going to take a fork and get them out. You have to do this right after you take them out. This one is perfect. The shell is perfect and it's not overfilled. Now I'm going to try the madeleine. It's super lemony and really good. It's very cake-like, kind of like a muffin maybe. Thank you for joining us. Merry Christmas. Enjoy your Noel. Bye. Dig in.